guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video will be on how to set a video on loop. For example, you're listening to a meditational song and you don't want to be continuously pressing the replay button on your phone or anything like that. You would just loop the video. Now the way how to do that is to just first click on the video you want here, and we click on save, add a new playlist here, and I'm going to calculate music as for you guys.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just want.
And we're just going to go in our library after that, and we let it reload and it pops up here as music. Now the thing that we're going to do is to click on the video here again and click on that button that you see there. I'm going to skip out this part here in this video that is playing, just to show you that it actually works here. Alright, so this is what the ending looks like. You'll see it start over. Now here it starts over. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share.
We presented on the beautiful, majestic Dominica. We